That we have today is it's by Outre, if I'm not mistaken, and it is a lace front wig, and it's from their Natural Yaki series. So the name of the wig is Natural Yaki 24. Now this is the care card that goes along with the wig, and this wig is supposed to be 24 inches. The color that I have it in is PLT, which excuse me, stands for Platinum 1B / 2730. The back of it is a regular card. It just tells you care instructions. And let's take her out. And I used to have another wig, I'm not sure what company it was by, that had this platinum streak at the bottom, and it ended up being really, really cute. So here is the wig. So looks like it comes and has the first layer is up in here, and then you get a layer here, and then you get a layer at the bottom. And this layer looks kind of straight. The hair says it is Yaki, but it feels a bit silky. But the color's really pretty. So let's get into the cap construction. Looks like you get hard lace around the perimeter of the unit. It's that scratchy lace. You do get 2 combs in the front, one closer to the part, and one looks like is midway on your temple. You get a comb in the back, and you get your normal adjustable straps. The inside is just regular tracks, and you get the stretchy pieces here that's what stretches over your braids. So let's take a look at the parting area before I manipulate it. That's the parting, and it's kind of closed, so I may go in and tweeze it a bit. So all in all, it looks like a cute unit. Okay, this is the unit on, and let me let you get a look at the hairline here. I'm probably going to have to do something with the adjustable straps because it feels pretty snug. So that's the hairline without the lace cut off, and it's the shiny, scratchy lace. So you don't get much parting in the front of this wig. I am going to go in and I'm going to clean up that parting right there. As we see, the part is here. You can kind of see it, but it's not as pronounced as you like. So the first thing you're going to do is get you some water, and I like to get a wide tooth bobby pin just like this, and just some water, and I like to go in and spray the part. Okay, that just wets the hair and gets it ready to be pulled out. And then you can decide which side has the most hair before you hit a track. Now this side has a lot of hair because you don't hit a track until about there. You hit a track here. So this side, let me see how much hair it has in the part before you hit a track. Okay, immediately on this side you hit a track. So we're gonna tweeze from this side, okay? So all I'm gonna do is come to the front of it, and I'm gonna go in and make a small sliver. And then you're gonna pull that to the side. Okay, and that's all I did. I just took a teeny piece of hair here and made a small little line. And then all I'm gonna do is start to pull, twist and pull, twist and pull, twist and pull. Okay, ladies, I just sped this part up. As you can see, I'm just going to continue the technique of sliding the bobby pin down the side of the part that has the most hair, and I'm just going to clean that part out really good. And once I do that, I'm going to flip the wig over, get my Fit Me powder. I'm going to put that on this part, and that just I'm doing that to match my skin complexion. I'm going to go along the side of, or the edges of the wig, and I'll just create some shorter hairs. I'm going to do that just in case I want to pull up in a ponytail, or I need edges, and it's easier to see it once you keep the lace on. You can see how thick the edges are, so I'm just going to go in and do that, followed by cutting off the lace. I start cutting the lace on this one where the part is. I just cut directly up to the part and then down both sides. After that, I'm going to style. As you can see, part came out absolutely bomb. Can we say yes to this part, girl? After detangling the hair, I'm going to go in and just pull out just a small bit of edges, and I'm using some Evelyn New York gel, and I'm just literally taking a teeny bit of it, like a finger size bit, and I'm just going to put that on my edges. And that's just to lay it down so that when the wind blows back, you don't you just don't see the wig just sitting on your forehead there. So after I do that, then I will come back to you at the end and give you guys my final thoughts on this wig. I'm so in love with it. I think it's so cute. Okay, this is the final look for Miss Yaki 24, and this is another wig. I am not sure why I slept on this wig. I don't know how I ever missed this wig, but this wig is everything. And I know y'all like, you say that about all these wigs. No. If you're into a full head of hair, if you're into getting full sew-ins, or you're into getting quick weaves where you got a full sew-in, girl, you're gonna love this. Like, this hair is literally everything. So let me first give you a 360, because you really need to take all this in so that we can have a conversation, because it's just so much. It's just beautiful. So this is the front, and as you can see, this part came out so bomb. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of me, what I did to that part. Girl, is this hair coming out of my scalp? Is this hair coming out of my scalp? Because I could have swore that this hair is coming out of my scalp. Look at this part. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Don't all clap at one time. Thank you so much. So the part, everything. The front, I love it. The parting area, like where you put it, I'm thinking that it is supposed to be a right side part. That's the way I put it. This layer here is nice and long, and then it goes into another layer, and then that goes into, I'm guessing, all the way down into the 24. So it must be like, 16, 18, 20, 24 type of deal going on, because you get a couple different cuts in here, and that's what makes the curls at the end. So this is the front. This is this side. Oh goodness, I am so excited about this hair. And here is the back. That's it in a ponytail. Okay, again, this hair moves. You can move with this hair, girl. I am moving with it, okay? And that's this side. So this is all of the hair to the front. That's all of it to the front. Okay, so cons of the hair. I like to do the cons first. The first con is going to be the parting area is closed. Now, that is only a con if you don't know how to fix it, or if you don't like, or if you don't mind it closed. Like if you're okay with the parting area being closed, then it's not a con for you. You could see it a little bit, and you probably could get away with putting a little bit like powder there to kind of your foundation there to kind of make it where you could see it. But because it's a straight unit, the first thing you look at is the part. So I wanted my part to be like pretty pronounced. I wanted you to be able to see that part. I wanted that part to look like I parted my scalp. And I'm telling you, this one here came out bomb. So the part will be a con because originally it comes closed. The other con might be the hair texture. Now it says that it's a Yaki, but to me, I think this is more like, it says natural Yaki, so I think it's more like a perm Yaki. And I know that they do have wigs out there that's called like perm Yaki, but to me, this isn't that Yaki that we're used to, where it's like so coarse, where it kind of reminds you of the caniculon hair that you like get braided, because there are wigs that's out there like that. I just reviewed a wig that's like, I think it's called Charisse by Outre. And that wig there is more Yaki than this one is. So this one here to me is like a perfect texture. I don't want it too Yaki, because then it's just like, it's too thick, and to me they don't, I want to say they don't last, but they can swell. And if you've wore Yaki wigs, comment below, because you know what I'm talking about. That swelling happens, and then you have to go in with your blow dryer. I don't think you're going to have that problem with this one because of the texture. It is Yaki, but it says it's a natural Yaki. So don't run from it. Don't think it's like Nisha or any of those other really coarse units. It's not. It is more to me like a silky natural Yaki texture, where you feel some texture in there, but it doesn't, it's not poofy, and it doesn't stop it from moving and flowing very freely. So that is the only con that I have. So the pros, of course, the pros are everything. Like, okay, so the first pro is this color. It's not too much. Let me let you see that closer. Okay, the color is not too much. It's just enough peeking through. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I think I have another unit. I never reviewed it, and it's Nisha. And if you know about Nisha, like, she was all the rave. I think I have her in this color, and it was gorgeous. The color was gorgeous. The wig was gorgeous too. But this color is so pretty because it gives you that platinum blonde, but it puts it with the black. And sometimes, depending on the light, it kind of looks a little bit silvery kind of to me. I don't know, but it just is really pretty, and it's not too much. It's not too blonde. It gives you just enough blonde to streak through. So first pro is going to be the color. Second is the length. I like how they have taken their time and gone through and layered it. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to go in and cut anything. Now, I cut some hairs around the edges, and that's because I was thinking that I may pull it up into a ponytail, and I was going to have some hair down if I style it that way, and I wanted to go ahead on and cut it while I had the lace on. To me, it makes it easier to see because you can lay it on the lace and you see how thin you're going to cut. So the length is perfect. The cut is perfect. Like, these layers are perfect. Now, some people may want to go in and put a layer closer to their forehead. I wanted it to be more straight. I have plenty of wigs that's cut up closer, so I'm going to leave it pretty much like that. The next thing is, of course, I mentioned it does take heat. So if you want to go through and put some bigger curls in here, like bigger barrel curls or something, you can put some bigger barrel curls in here, and you could change the look. Or you could go and you could straighten out and have it as a bone straight unit. That will look really pretty too. So I love that. Cap construction, I'm in between with the cap construction. Now, it seemed like when I first put it on that it was really tight. So what I ended up doing was taking the adjustable straps off, and I didn't hook them to any of the latches in the back. I just let them flow. So the next thing that I like about this unit is that it's versatile with the styling. And when I say that, I think that the thickness of it, I can pull it up. And I love to pull up some hair, baby. I love to take this hair and pull it up in a ponytail. I would do that quick. So you can do that with this, and it doesn't take away from the thickness. I'm going to turn around so you can see it. Because of the density is perfect, it doesn't take away from that. So I probably do it neater, of course, but I can pull it up into a ponytail, and I like that. And I'm sure I could even get more hair up in the back. Yeah. See, because it's so thick, you can get more hair up in the back. And of course, I'm loving that. Pin it up, make your ponytail look pretty cute and tousled. And you got a whole nother look with that. So I'm liking that. I'm telling you, this unit is so cute. I'm in love. And I think that that's pretty much it for the review on this unit. I didn't get any shedding. I'm sure over time it's probably gonna tangle. It's long. You do need to probably keep a comb or a brush around, because it may tangle just because of the length. But it's not, to me, it's not crazy long though, because if you look here, it's like right underneath my boobs. So it's not crazy long for me. So so if you ladies are interested in this unit, I will leave all the information in the description box below. If you have not yet, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscription button. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you like how I slayed this part, if you like how I told you guys about this bomb unit, that you do not have to go get a sew-in, you do not have to get bundles, you do not have to do any of that. You just need to go online and order this product and it will be right there. So if you like that, give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. If you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, please do not forget to tag me in it. And as you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.